Vanstarry compact binoculars for kids, bird watching, hiking, camping, fishing, accessories, gear, essentials, best toy gifts for boys, girls, children, toddler, waterproof 5x30 optical lens including compass. Superior safety, rubber surrounded eyepieces are included for eye protection so children don't hurt their eyes or face. The carrying bag and fit on your belt, and with bungee shock cord hook can hang it on the school bag. Binoculars for kids, compact binoculars for bird watching, Vanstarry 8x21 mini binoculars for boys and girls, small lightweight binoculars for hunting, travel, stargazing, hiking, camping, concert. Super safety, binoculars for kids are made of non-toxic and shock-proof natural rubber material. The soft rubber surrounds the eyepieces. Alatino 10x25 compact binoculars for close-up and far away. Far away performance, the 15mm ocular diameter designed to provide a wider field of view is able to catch an entire field of action from as far as 1,000 yards. Hontry 8x42 waterproof IPX6 binoculars for bird watching. 8x magnification with a viewing field of 362 feet at 1,093 yards provides a wide open look so that you can stand in far off places to enjoy the view without the shaking problem. With these binoculars for bird watching, for hunting, you won't be bound to miss the fast moving birds through the leaves. Features include a clear focus that is designed to handle changing from wide view to sharp focus immediately, as well as a 10 magnification that will make you feel like you're inches away from your target.